Here's how to make a Peemalux. Here are the stats of the Peemalux. The overall length is 20.2 centimeters, and the mass for this mod is 16.1 grams. Here are the pens you will need. 1. Impega. The Impega can be subbed with a Jot Felt Tip Pen. The packaging looks like this, and they used to be sold at Dollar Tree. The Jot Felt Tip Pen is also a bit longer than the Impega, with a similar feel. 2 Comsas. New Comsa caps fit better on this mod than the old ones, so I recommend using new Comsa caps if you have them. 2 G2s and 2 Airfits. Here are the tools you will need. Let's get started. Take your Comsas and remove the caps. If you're using a Jot body, completely disassemble the pen. Now take your Impega or felt tip pen body and put tape on each end. Check occasionally if your Comsa cap fits on it. Now take your G2s and remove the grips. Cut off the smooth part of your G2 grips. Now take your G2 grip sections and put them on the Comsa caps. Now take your Airfits and remove the tips. Now put your Airfit tips inside of the caps. Now put the caps on the body. And there you go. That's how you make a Peemalux.